Hello! Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to search and delete text in a PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample PDF invoice, and remove the word notes. To get started, let's add PDF.co in the action step. And choose Custom API Call as an action event. Then, let's connect our PDF.co account. Select the delete text as a PDF.co API endpoint. Replace the input JSON with the correct file URL and search string. Now, click on Test and Review to make sure that it's set up correctly. Great! Copy the generated URL and paste it in the browser. Here's a PDF output with the deleted text. To learn more about PDF.co, check out our API docs, sample codes, Facebook group, or contact our support team. We look forward to hearing from you.